great shot, I think. The Thunderbird with the hood up, the top down, great looking interior. I think we've done a video on the seat, but you can see we've had the seat reupholstered, and they use a really nice looking thread on it. We've got new carpet in it, we've got Dynamat in it. We're getting kind of towards the end of this project. We've got a new stereo system in it. One of the things we ran into was this classic radio right here, which has adjustable knobs on it, would not fit this dash trim piece. So we had to get this, actually had to get it off of eBay, and we got it by the second time we finally got it right. It's in, now the radio's in, it's all attached. There's some speakers behind the seat, and there's some speakers up front here, and it ought to provide some nice music with the top down, and hopefully at the Memorial Day or 4th of July parade, this car will draw some attention. It's really a pretty car. We haven't polished it yet, but we've done the underside, we've done the engine, we've done the inside. Now we're about ready to finish up as soon as we get the adapter plate on the horn. Now, if you guys got one of these cars and you change out the steering column or work on it to make it adapt to power steering, you'll find out that you're going to lose the ability to honk the horn. And they make a kit for that on this particular factory steering column. So you'll have to take the column back out, which we have to do to put that in to make the horn work, and then we should be done and ready to send this home. Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com.